I needed that.
This
Damn.
pina colada is so good. My back feels good.
What are y'all doing?
We just came from the spa. I just had the bomb massage.
Getting massages?
Massages, yeah.
Do y'all know what y'all supposed to be doing right now?
Getting a massage, that's
No.
what we did.
No.
What are you
Y'all
talking
supposed to be
about?
preparing for the writing session with Sean.
Corey has the nerve to come at me about writing because Lily and I decided to go out and get a little fresh air for a minute. You're not my manager. Jeff Robinson is.
Listen, you have one opportunity to make this big comeback, and y'all not preparing yourself for it.
I'm gonna have to sit this down because clearly you don't understand. Let me just break this down to you. First of all, your job is to book these shows and keep our schedule straight. Jeff is our manager. I thought we understood that.
Oh, no, we don't understand that.
What?
This is my business to make sure that your business is straight.
Take your place. Get in your position.
I don't know anything about that.
Get in your position.
This is my position.
Ugh.
You just worry about booking the shows, giving us our money, and what we do on our private time is our damn business.
How do you
y'all-
know if
wait a
we
minute.
did it right? You just came at us like, why ain't y'all
Okay,
right?
so did
How
y'all
do you know
write?
if we did? Baby, we did.
Okay, tell me
Baby,
what you wrote.
tried. I wrote, Corey, I need a break.
Out of everybody, you need to be there first.
Why I gotta be there first?
Because you don't sing that much, so this need to be
You
really
can
hard for
kiss
you.
my entire butt, all right? You have a lot of nerve. You don't
Chill
even
out.
know to
Chill
come
out.
at me like
Chill
that.
out.
You always hitting below the belt. That's some up.
Y'all
That is up. Oh, a massage. You could not be serious.
Man, the
God,
problem, you don't give a
You
Bugging.
kiss my
got me.
ass.
That's all right. That's okay.
Yellow ass ghost. Yo, bitch.